Sources say after several weeks and perhaps years of speculations of will he or won't he, Rajinikanth has finally announced his political debut. And now that he has, all eyes are on whether it will change political equations in Tamil Nadu and how things will pan out. Rajinikanth is known to have completely stark personalities in movies and in real life. While in movies, he is larger than life and full of punch dialogues, in real, he is known to be more humble, not even bothering about his looks or persona. That's probably one of the reasons why he is so well respected. But this also meant a lot of confusion over his political ambitions and political brand. As with his movies, Rajinikanth's political debut was also expected to be a grand opening. But the superstar is full of surprises. He seems to have decided to have quite a low-key political debut. Sources say Rajinikanth may debut through a modest and unrecognized party, Makkal Sevai Kachi. We all know how important election symbols are in polls, especially in Tamil Nadu, which is why Rajinikanth is quite keen on two symbols. No prizes for guessing, they're related to his movies. Rajinikanth is said to be keen on his signature two-finger pose that was made popular in a 2002 film Baba and after the movies, and auto rickshaw, which is synonymous with his 1995 blockbuster Basha. Decades after the movies, people still associate Rajinikanth with these two movies, and that's why these are top preferences for his party's election symbols in the forthcoming assembly polls. Now let's tell you more about the party. Makkal Sevai Kachi was originally registered as Anaitindya Makkal Shakti Karagam. There's no word on why the superstar picked this party. One of the reasons could be that his party aims to field candidates from all the 234 seats in the state. Without any administration in place, Rajinikanth could be looking at having everything in place. Political pundits also believe that associating with a smaller party also gives Rajinikanth the edge if and when he wants to align with other parties. The superstar had announced on December 8th that he will be launching a political party in January. He has promised an honest, transparent, corruption-free and spiritual politics without any difference to any religion or caste. Even now, there isn't much clarity on his party and next course of action. The announcement regarding the decision is expected on December 31st. In a related development, Kamal Haasan has also announced that he would contest the upcoming assembly elections. Election Commission has denied the torchlight symbol for his party, which is why Kamal Haasan is likely to opt for lighthouse as his election symbol.